What's up, Sharks? My name's Pat. And my name's Armin, and we are seeking $300,000 in exchange for 10% of our company.
Ooh.
Pat, you know what I love more than anything? Draft beer. There's just something about it that tastes better, way better than beer in a can. Bro, it's because you can actually smell the beer drinking rather than the aluminum top. True, but in most places, cans are the only option, and they're not going anywhere. Yeah, when I go camping and fishing, I only bring cans, but I usually just pour into a cup. Dude, plastic cups are such a waste. There has to be a better way. All right, how about this? What if we just remove the entire top of the can? Oh, you mean like this? Sharks, don't try this at home.
Oh my God.
Bro, stop. Sharks.
Whoa.
There's a better way to experience
Okay, that guy's got some teeth.
Yeah, right. He's not afraid. I don't know if everybody could see that whole. Like he just.
Sharks, we know there's a better way to experience canned beverages. That's why we created Draft Top, the only patented bar tool on the market that's designed to remove the top of your canned beverage and turn it into a cup. Beer me, bro, cha-cha.
It's a can opener.
Open
Yeah.
handle, place Draft Top on the can, squeeze, and rotate. Whoa. It's that easy.
So, what? I don't know what I just saw here.
I'm looking at it thinking this is just another can opener.
Squeeze and rotate. Whoa.
What? I don't. Why is? What's wrong with the tab that it comes with? I don't.
Really?
It's that easy. And not to mention, the top is removed from the inside rim, leaving no sharp edges. So, Sharks.
Well, that's cool.
You see Damon's reaction?
Yes. Yeah, I did.
I think Damon's the first to go out.
What am I doing wrong? Why can't I get this to work? Hold on. We're going to walk you through that. So in front of you, we got a fancy version of the customized tools for you. You can open it by pressing here on top of the handle. Just pull it out like that. You got, once in the open position, you're going to place the tool on the can. All right. You're going to wiggle it just a little bit. And once you get it on, you're going to squeeze the handle just slightly until the handle compresses. It didn't work. Hold on, guys. Hold on. My problem is I'm crushing.
Number one, you've got to make your product easy to use.
Yeah, but I still am not understanding the purpose when you have a tab. I don't.
Yeah, there's a tab. You're gonna have to educate the public on your product.
Yeah, and have this solo tool that is only good for one thing.
One thing.
That you're gonna be buying. So hopefully this solo tool is like $10 or something. I doubt it, but we'll see.
Let's see what it is.
It's too complicated.
Well,
It's too complicated.
Obviously, it was a little challenging here for us.
I made a
How many
mess.
have you sold?
Yeah, so we've had the product selling for 8 months now, and we've sold $1.6 million.
What?
Yes, sir.
Wow! Ding ding.
Oh, now we're interested.
Okay, go back there. How many units?
70,000 units.
70,000 units. Wow. How great is that, man? Congratulations! Like ding ding.
So, you sold 70,000
units. Yep.
units.
And I'm guessing that the total was 1.6 million in revenue.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see how much this thing costs.
Yeah.
In December, we did crowdfunding, and we did $835,000 in sales on crowd.
835,000. So half of what they've sold.
Half what they sold on crowdfunding.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna honor that as my valuation.
Yeah.
Here's why, guys. When they're looking at that, you're looking at, you pulled a stunt to make your sales. What's this going to do when it hits the real market? That's what I'm thinking of. But we'll see what the Sharks think.
I'm just still not understanding the concept here, unless what you're trying to do is. Maybe, okay, all right. I think I get it now. What you're trying to do is turn the can into a cup. That's what you're doing.
That's
right?
what I'm seeing.
That's okay. I get it.
Yeah.
I'm out, but I get it.
Yeah, I'm out too. I wouldn't buy it.
Oh, there you go. That's it. So this was our second time on Kickstarter. Lifetime sales are a little over 2 million. Hey guys,
Wow.
I may be dumb, but I'm not stupid. Okay. Right? If I'm having all this trouble, what were the reviews on Kickstarter? What's the feedback? So we've had a lot of great reviews, and we've had others that didn't necessarily feel as well. But what we've done is we know they're not so great. Yeah, but surprisingly not as much as you would think. We
spinning it around. You know, you got to spin city over here.
And that's it. When we do our sites, I want to see what we can pull the Kickstarter up.
content on social media and YouTube where we have training videos and stuff. And,
Guys, I could see this being a great gag gift, a great, groomsman gift. But at the end of the day, I can't even get it to work.
So we do tell the consumer there is a bit of a learning curve. So there is an expectation.
Yeah, but listen to that. Listen to that. Listen to what you're telling me. You're asking me to waste a beer, and that is never tolerable.
We tell people to.
Says the guy that probably sells beers for $5, $6, $7.
Yeah, the guy who's selling them for $15 for a solo cup at the Mavs game. Not that I've paid that at the Mavs game.
To start with empties. So collect a couple empties.
With my empties?
Yeah, absolutely.
There you go.
It works the same way.
If you sold $2 million worth of it, that's serious money, okay?
Yeah.
So my question is why? Why does the world need this?
All right,
fine. It's a fun item.
He's still
but
he's still not getting it there.
Is why? Why does the world need this? All right, fine. It's a fun item, but it's not worth $3 million.
I've tried 4 times now. I tried it slowly. I took the thing down. I held it. I put on the thing. I can't get it to work. I'm out.
Okay. Thank you, Robert.
All right, I'm shocked.
I've been here.
Yeah, right?
But we still haven't heard from Damon.
No, I'm sure he's got this. I think he might actually be interested.
Really trying to work the can, okay? Trying to understand the excitement about the product. I get it.
Yep.
But it's such a pain in the high.
Like, he's just sitting there looking. He's just waiting. Like, okay, now my values. I don't have to give as much.
I mean, I was going to look at it and say, okay.
300K though for
Do you have any
this.
flexibility on valuation?
Yeah, right.
Did you figure that your experience here would go like that with all of us laughing?
No, actually, no. I do want to talk about our sales.
I want to talk about that too. What does it cost for you to make it?
It's $14.
And what do you sell it at?
I'm sorry, $4.13 to make it. It's 100%
Okay.
American made. We sell it for $24.99 direct from the website.
Oh, there you go. That's good margins.
Yep.
You have a patent,
Yeah.
right?
A utility
Okay.
patent. Yep.
Hell yeah.
Nice.
You did it finally.
So there you go. All right, so our biggest problem is inventory, right? We can't keep up through the website right now. Our sales have dropped in half in the last 3 weeks because we just can't make it fast enough.
Well, after this aired, I bet they couldn't either.
Well, yeah, that's the other thing. You got to have the money to make the product.
Yep. And $4.13. That is killer. That's
That's
great.
cheap
Yeah, that
for a
is that is
$30
super-
product.
Well, it's
you
what
can-
$24.99.
24.99, so
plus
25.
shipping, probably. Yeah.
You could drop that price point down to 19 and still make a killing.
Yep.
You just got to be able to make them.
Yeah. If you can get your cost down another $1 or so on making that many mass production, you got and that's American made, right? They probably could make this in China for like $1.20 or something with shipping.
Yes, because they do make it American.
I
Yep,
love
but that's
innovation.
awesome.
I love when people come
Ding,
up with
ding.
new ideas and things. Obviously, people like your concept, right?
Yes. Yep.
You have proof of sales. You did amazing. My problem is we all had trouble using it. That's not to say you can't fix it. But for me to invest $300,000, no matter what percent, on something that needs tweaking, it's not there yet. And so, I'm sorry.
Wow. Damon.
I'm shocked.
That's a shame. Yeah, right.
This is a home shopping network, tchotchke that will go.
Is it
Yeah.
though? I don't know.
It is because it needs somebody to demonstrate it.
That's
You
true.
demonstrate
That's
this
true.
on TV, they're gonna buy it.
Yeah. No, that's a fair point.
Kevin.
Guys, I think the mistake was the 300K.
So, Kevin, we are on target to do 3.2 conservatively. We think we'll be at 4 million by the end of the year.
300,000. When I first saw it, I said to myself, why? And I'm still here looking at it saying, why? I'm just trying to open a can. I'm out. Damon?
We've got
Damon.
83%
Then there was one.
gross margins on the product, a 50% net margin. We've got about $500,000 in the bank. We need a mentor that can help us.
I think there's something.
If you have $500,000 in the bank,
What are you doing there?
yeah. What are you doing there?
$500,000 in the bank can buy you product to sell.
Yeah.
Quit trying to be a
$4.13,
billionaire.
like-
Stay being a millionaire.
well, try to maintain being a millionaire.
Yeah.
and then work. Worry about the rest. when it gets there.
You're doing good, but you're not satisfied.
Yeah.
I would be satisfied. I wouldn't make it as my primary thing, It's an investment. I'm making money on it over here. Let me go do something else.
Yeah. Let's see what Damon.
You're not taking pride in what you've accomplished. This is not a small accomplishment.
good.
Why do you want a shark? What do you expect exactly?
I think they want the 300,000.
No, we don't need the money because we've got $500,000 in cash.
So if you don't want the money, then why did you evaluate
We-
it so high for the opportunity?
This is just what we felt. We valued this company,
it's
and
a
we're going to
starting
finish
point.
this year at $3 million. We plan to do at least $6 million next year.
We need some.
Why did you price it so high, guys?
Because it's just a starting point. It is.
I'll tell you, I kind of see this as a stadium play, right? Like you know, instead of selling, you know, you have the cans, and then you just like you let the seller hit put the top off, and then bam, there you just have a can, and the cans.
So yeah,
each
each vendor needs it.
and easy.
Not
to,
each
yeah.
each.
Yeah, I think that's a pretty good play there too. On top of it.
Did you price it so high because maybe you don't want a deal?
Not at all.
And I'll think of all the advertising that you're getting at those stadiums, right? I mean, one, we can get people back in stadiums, but like, you know, it's like, oh man, how did they cut the top off? Oh, that we used the draft top. Like, hey,
Yeah.
you want to buy a draft top? I got one in my backpack. Like, bam, there you go. There's the money.
There's a draft top with the whatever team is your
Yep.
name on it.
Yep.
Okay. I want to make sure. All right, so
We
listen.
came here for a partnership.
I mean, listen. You want $300,000 for 10%? I'm going to give you $300,000 for 20%.
Oh,
That's still a fair deal.
yeah.
Great
I mean, they'll probably want to come back with a counter.
Damon, we're going to take that offer.
Oh, all right.
No.
Yeah.
There you go. I can't. You want me to open that for you? You know, let me try to celebrate. I'm gonna try it one more time, guys. All right? Ain't gonna work.
Nice and slow. Get it on there. There you go.
Rotate,
There you go.
rotate.
Yeah.
Go, David. Oh,
With champagne cans.
You know what? We'll figure it out, yeah. Because you know what? The fun part, I get it.
Pat, Armin, cheers. Congratulations.
Congratulations. That's awesome.
Yeah, good job, guys.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Outstanding.
So I mean, yeah, they gave up an extra 10%, but depending on how many.
But they were way overvaluing.
This work. Look at mine.
Let's see Marky do it.
You hear that? You hear that? You're crushing the can. You hear that? You're crushing the can. Crushing the can.
Is it off? No.
Yes, it is. Crushing the
But
can.
you had to push it in.
That's the way you do it.
You don't lift it out?
No. Oh, you push it down.
Why did I push it in?
You push it down?
Mine
Oh.
worked.
Wow. Okay. Well, that's interesting. So let's take a look here. As seen on Shark Tank. Let's see. So they, still selling it for $24.99. Free
$29.
shipping on orders over 55, which is conveniently more than two.
Yeah.
2 items. I guess you could get your.
Oh, I love how they did that.
Yeah, that is great. Oh,
Look
at
at no. They got, but the Coke they showed you can mix your drinks.
Yeah.
You just showed a second purpose for it.
Yeah, no, I think that's a great. I think that's a great idea. Now that I understand what the point of it is to turn it into a cup, you know, makes a lot of sense. It makes you kind of wonder why they weren't able to why these can manufacturers haven't figured out how to make like a pull tab or something that like literally just like
Makes it a
rips the
cup.
top off. Yeah, it makes it a cup. Instead, they were like they do the tab thing. So I'm curious. Let's see. Let me go to open up Amazon here if they have
Amazon. I'm gonna see if you can still find it on the Kickstarter.
Oh, okay, Kickstarter.
Yeah, I want to see their reviews.
Top. The drink topless. Let's see. Updates, comments. Nice job on Shark Tank. Even though they couldn't use it right, still enjoying mine. Make fun gifts and cans. Is it taking so long because it's a scam or what? If I knew this, I would have not been backing this product. I mean, every Kickstarter is basically like that, though.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. What is? Okay, so I have Amazon up here, right? And on Amazon, there's this thing here: draft top beer and soda topless remover for $12.99. I guess it's the original draft top is $24.99 and has 838 reviews, which isn't bad. Product doesn't work. Wish I could make it no stars. Don't buy worthless product. Immediately return. Crushes normal beer can. that could be used as directed, makes a mess, doesn't open can top as directed. Kind of gross. Unless you're washing the tops of your cans, the lid of the can goes into the beer. That is actually pretty. That's a good point because you know, how many times have you heard like, you know, Coca-Cola had a problem where like rats were peeing on tops of cans, and then you're buying said can, and not good, not a good look. But don't waste your money. But some people love it. So I think, you know, you have 838 reviews and you got a 4-star rating. You know, more people that get it, they get it. You know.
Yeah, and you're always gonna have some that don't get it.
Yeah.
You want to have the average 4. Yeah.
Yep. So Tim, tell everyone how they can reach out to you and what they should be reaching out to you for.
Hey, go to timgillette.com, or you can come to our events. Simple, easy events. We actually help you online marketing. Make it simple. Make it easy for your clients to find you.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm a member and speaker at a lot of Tim's events. You should totally come check us out. Check us out over there. If you want to learn how to grow your profit for your business, go over to superjoepardo.com so we can work together. If you have something to say to me, it's at superjoepardo on all social media. Make sure you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and get subscribed so you don't miss another Biz Coach Reacts video. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.